What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dream Media Home Theater. If you guys are not one of my subscribers already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today, we have a Samsung Q90T. This is one of the flagship 4K models. We got a super bright space here, and you need a super bright TV. These quantum dot TVs do not play. I'm gonna unbox this guy, do a quick demo for you, and let you know what I think. Let's get into it. All right, guys, let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. You know that I love Samsung, one of our best brands for panels. We're pretty strict on where and when we sell TVs just because they get damaged and they're a really low profiting item. But if you are in an area where we have a preferred installer network, we would be happy to help you out with getting this delivered as well as installed on the wall. It's really important to us that we uphold that 5-star service that you guys expect out of us. But with that said, we do guarantee the lowest price on these products, and we have nationwide free shipping on most things. TVs are just one of those that we got to be careful with. Okay, so let's open it up and hope that this one is not broken. Inside of the box, you have a few different things. I guess we'll start with the stand. As custom installers or a custom installation company, we don't use a stand very often, but you can always just plop this bad boy right here on top of the tabletop and you are ready to rock and roll. I'm gonna put this aside because I'm gonna be making a separate video for you guys on how to wall mount it as well. I hope that you guys enjoy that video. And the top of the box, it's where they typically keep all of the manuals and remotes, things like that. Okay. Check it out. We have the remote, the power cord, some batteries, and the user manual. Go ahead and pop these out for you. Standard Samsung remote. They've been making them like this for a while. Power cord and the batteries. All right, pop them in. We're gonna need these in just a minute. I like how they added these in recently. It's pretty cool. The Netflix, Prime Video, and the Samsung Plus, just quick selects. Prior, it's just on the home, which even on the home, I mean, it pops right up and you can just go, you know, straight into the apps anyways, but quick select's nice. That's the remote. All right, now the TV itself. Oh, I don't see any cracks, so that's a good sign. We'll go ahead and give you an up-close shot of it. Okay, so this is an up-close shot of the TV. You can see it's pretty thin. Back of the TV. Let's see what kind of ports we got here. Let me see if I can get a better shot for you. Okay, on the back of the TV, here's our connections. We got a couple USBs, digital audio out, HDMI 1 through 4. This does have eARC, LAN connection, XN antenna. Has a pretty small bolting pattern. And that's the power plug. All right, guys, so that's a quick unboxing and overview. I think I'm gonna go ahead and throw it on the stand and just start it up for you guys. I don't wanna put it on the wall yet because I'm gonna make a separate video out of that. Okay, so there's two parts to this stand. You got the back piece right here, this plastic piece, which will bolt in like that onto the back of the TV, and you got 4 bolts. And then you have the stand, which it's gonna slide onto. So we're gonna go ahead and pull this guy out, and then I'm gonna set it on this couch here. That way we can get a better view of it. It's always nice to lay something down, that way you don't scratch up the front of your new TV. All right, so now with it laid down like this, I can easily put on the mount. I'm gonna take it just like this and go ahead and bolt it in. With the supplied bolts. And then this big heavy metal part is what we're gonna put on the bottom. We're gonna screw this in. All right, guys, I'm gonna go grab this TV and put it in my demo area where we'll get it set up. For right now, this is going to be its testing space to finish off this video. Keep in mind, I am going to be making a video on how to wall mount this as well. All right, let's go ahead and fire it up. Ooh. What I really like is they put an extra layer of protector on the sides here because...
Hello and welcome. Please download the SmartThings app on your mobile to start TV setup.
So you'll want to download that on your mobile.
To set up the TV with the TV remote. The accessibility function is available when you press and hold the mute button.
We definitely want to turn that down for right now. So what I was saying is leave these protectors on there if you're going to wall mount it, because I can't tell you how many times customers have told me they go to mount it on the wall and their fingers touch it and end up actually cracking the panel. So I'd recommend just leaving those on there for right now. But what we'll do is go ahead and just advance quickly through this setup menu. The way things work nowadays is it's all app based. So the first thing they want you to do is go ahead and download an app to where you can set it up and they can gather all your information. You can go ahead and just give them permission to access everything, and then it'll load in some of your things like Netflix and Hulu, Amazon, all the cool apps that you guys are going to want on this TV. For right now, I'm going to be skipping through that. It's going to ask connections. What are you connecting up to the TV? What's really great nowadays is this is how all the televisions are. Kind of it prompts you as you go through on how to actually set it up. Connecting to Wi-Fi. I'm going to go ahead and connect it up to our Wi-Fi so that it'll load in all of the different apps. So you can also hardwire your TV if you have a hardwired LAN connection in that area. I would definitely recommend hardwiring it. just because everything's going to operate that much faster. Another thing you guys can inquire about if you are having connectivity issues in your home is a mesh network. One of the things that we do as custom integrators or a custom integration company is offer that as a backbone to your system. This being a device, just like all the other wireless devices in your home, it's reliant on that wireless network, and the larger your home, the more important that is. Agree to all if you want to use the TV. You can sign into your Samsung account. Not for me today. You can also do voice assistant. So this has become super popular, all the rage. You talk to the remote. It does different commands for you. It's pretty awesome. You can select which one you prefer. My entire house has Amazon Alexa. And then you just set it up right here. It asks you for your zip code because it'll kind of pull things related to your area onto your TV, like say news and stuff like that. So I would recommend putting in your zip code. Okay guys, so you can actually select apps that you enjoy or ones that you use more often than others right here in your smart hub, and this is in the settings during the initial setup. I'm gonna go ahead and add in Apple Music. I'm a huge Apple fan, definitely want that on my TV. Discovery's got some good stuff. I am not remodeling a TV or remodeling a home anytime soon, so I'm not gonna do the HGTV, but you get the idea, guys. There's a couple. So are you ready to enjoy your smart hub? Yes. We're going to take it to the next level. You can use intelligent mode, which is basically gonna kind of adjust the TV picture to the conditions of the space. Test your remote. Success. Okay guys, well, we did it. We unboxed the TV, we got it on the stand, we went through the basic setup. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and found it informative in helping you make a buying decision on your next television. If you are in our service area and you would like to purchase this product, make sure to give us a call. We are expanding every single day. We really appreciate your support and we can't do it without you. If you like this video, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up. Hit that YouTube button, guys. Make sure to check out all of our videos. We have a bunch of information on here related to audio, video, speakers, projectors, TVs, pretty much everything that you need to bring your home to life. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Till next time, this is Zach with Dream Media Home Theater. Thank you for watching.